Received by JP. Service 8 by Vince from Alpha. 6-5. Service by Vince. New receive by JP. Score now. Alpha. All six. Sirens and Alpha. Vince to serve. New receive behind. Nancy Jeffrey. Ito Bernie JP. Number 4. Trinity number 9. Behind number 8. Sirens. Alpha. Adesina to serve. Number 2. New receive Vince. Sinet and Atticus. In over. Receive by JP. Sent by JP. Honey. Adesina to serve. Official score 8-6 in favor of Sirens. Service received. Sent the red. Over by JP. By JP. Sent by JP. 9-6 in favor of Sirens. Adesina to serve for Team Sirens. Received by number Sinet and Reds. Papalo to JP. 10-6 in favor of Sirens.
Hindi ko man makita yung nasa gitna.
Set. Serve by Adesina. Service 8. Team Alpha. Score by Alpha 11-7 in favor of Sirens. Service by Team Captain A. Service by Honey Bee. Received by number 2, sent by Red, following JD, received by Q.
Si JB daw. Si JB ang ang umasok.
The one at the front is Gino.
The one who?
This one?
Yeah.
Gino.
Who was the one that spiked?
Service by JB. Received by Jeffrey, sent by JB, following JB. Outside, score by Albert, 12-9 in favor of Sirens. Service again by JB. Received by JB. Over. Received by Vince. Sent by Rex. Follow number 2. Received by Vince. Sent by number 9, Paolo,
Number 2, si Dino ata. Para kasama niyo. Dino G.
21.
21.
Back. Back.
Received by Jeffrey. Sent by JB. Score by Cyrus. 15-13. Service by Kiwi. Number 23.
Are you enjoying?
Service by Kiwi. Over. Received by number 4. Sent by Score by Gino. Service by Vince, number 11. Received by Shadow. Sent by Jeffrey. Pinado ni Honey. Received by number 4. Gino. Over ni Vince. Received by Gina. Sent to JD. Para ni Jeffrey. Service by Team Pirates, JB Allen.
Wala, si Sherman.
Service by JB Allen, received by Gino. In over to number 9. Sent to JB Papalo to Jeffrey. Received by number 4. Discommunication. Score Siren. 17-14.
Kailangan send it straight. Best out of 3 or first?
First,
Service by JB Allen. Hindi umabot. Service by number 2, Gino. Out. Received by Jeffrey. Sent by JB. Ayan na si Jeffrey. Outside. Out. 17-16.
go, Simon.
Service by Gino. Team out. Repeat Maso. Net goal. Service by beautiful team captain Jeffrey, number 3. Received by JB.
Sino ba naman? Lens pa umisan. Dito ko lang sa kanila. Lens.
Service by Jeffrey. Received by JB. Friends, Pinalo. Outside. Score 20-16. Set point Byron. Set point Byron. Outside. Score 20-17 in favor of Siren. Set point Siren. Service. Received by Jeffrey. Sent by Jamie. Pinalo ni Honey. Received by Gino. Set Siren. First team Siren. 21-17. Service number 28, Jamie Elias and Stevie Siren. Service received by over by Kay, Jeffrey, miscommunication. 1-0 in favor of Alpha. Service by ano po number? Received by number 5. Sent by number 9. Pinalo ni number 2. Received by Honey. Number 3. Received by number 9. Sent number 12. Pinalo. Pino. What happened? 2-1 in favor of Alpha. Service by Gino. Team Alpha. Service by Gino. Sinalo ng net. Service by JB Allen. Sirens. JB Allen serve. Received by Gino. Sinet ni Reds. Pinalo number 5. Over the Team Sirens. Is he away?
I think MJ needs to. He's away. He's fine. Where's your Tito AJ? Tita Marian. Where's your Tito AJ?
JB Allen. Received by Gino. Sent by Reds. Pinalo number 12. Bonnie. Service by JB Allen of Sirens. Received by Gino. Sinet ni Reds. Pinalo. Carol. Received. Pinalo ni Honey. JB Allen. Service by Bonnie. For all in favor of Alpha.
Sorry.
Team Alpha. Service by Bonnie. Number 5. Jeffrey to serve. Team captain. 18.
Hi, ball.
Another team captain to serve for Alpha. Hey. Received by Tano. Received by Dino. Pinalo. K to serve. 6 balls. Favor Packers. Received by JB Pires. Given to JB. At Pinalo ni Ashina. Service by K. Team captain.
Wala, nakakuha naman. Hindi kinakabahan.
Service. Receive. 7-6 in favor of Alpha. Received by Gino. Set by Renz. Babawi si Gino. Outside. Rinal. Drop ball by Jeremy Pintos para sa Siren. Lamang na po ang Siren. 12-10. Kimi to serve. Outside.
12-11?
12-11. Favor
Dito ka ba? Saan mo dito ka?
Hindi ako naman.
Service by Center. Renz. This is the Jeffy. Wala na
Hindi yung problema sa bahay. Ayun yung kabisita namin. Nahuli sa bus, kailangan bigyan ng flight nila ng slot na hindi na-miss nila isang bus.
Number 9. Received by Jeffy. Center
Jeremy, what's the call?
What's the call? Siren. As per the whistle, referee, team by Siren. Point by Siren. 13-12. Received by Darren. Set by Gino. Over by Bonnie. Received by JP. Get to JP. Pinalo ni Bonnie. Block. Received over by JP. Received by Bonnie. Pinalo ni Gino. Received by JP. Isa-set to JP. Papaluin ni Jeffrey. Received by Bonnie. Over by Gerald. Received by JP. Nakapag ni Gino. Hindi na 13. Timeout. Siren.
Late na eh.
Alpha Gino serve.
Sakto lang sa bus. Kasi dahil
Outside. Captain Jeffrey serve for Siren.
Ang ano dun, nag-rent ko ng malaki yung lugar. Sila lahat from here to Stansted.
Oo, dapat yun na sa ano.
Service ace. Wala sa laro. Service ace by Team Captain Jeffrey. Final score 15-13. Favor Siren.
Basta naglalakad pa.
Saan sila? Kay Marian ba? Ayun si Marian ba?
Jeffrey to serve. Siren out. 16-13. Another service ace for Team Captain Jeffrey.
Gerald, sa'yo.
Jeffrey to serve. Number 3. Received by Gino. Set by Renz. Papalo si Gerald. 17-14. In favor of Flyers. Jeffrey to serve. Net ball.
Mistake, score.
17-14 in favor of Siren. Bonnie to serve for Team Aldo.
Kasi nga, ano lang yan, katawa ang
Bonnie,
tawag
service.
yung naging seryo.
Outside. 18-14
Hindi ako naman.
in favor of Siren. Sheena number 2 to serve.
Pero ba?
Argentina service. 18 umabot. Sinalo ng group. Team Captain A to serve for Aldo.
Yung shirt pad.
Ayun, sa tingin.
Jeffrey to receive. Set by JP. Papalo si Jeffrey.
Okay.
19-15. 2 points to win for Siren. Honey Bee to serve.
Sunod na pala tayo.
Honey Bee to serve.
Okay lang po yun.
Hindi ka na pala ng din. Baka matawa.
Oh! Warm